See what clues your body gives you. Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. I don't believe anyone when they say that the body cannot do anything. I think that's the most ridiculous theory because, the body always expresses the first kind of truth, which is the original truth. Do you know what I mean? You know what I'm do you know what I'm saying to you? Look, for example, you see, you're in a crazy state at one point and something happened, and you seem to be in a state of unconsciousness. In fact, there is a kind of liberation in not knowing when you're moving forward. You realize your present, your presence, and then, wow, your beautiful body reveals so many amazing, or maybe one and so amazing secret or secrets to you, even if they are too small to see. You cannot ignore them because secrets are so deep. Don't ignore them. My dear, take the clues your body gives you and go. Put your hand in the hand of your wonderful body, in any case, any path, any person, any situation, even the person who says loves you and cannot live without you. They all have secrets. You should know about that or those secrets because it's too important for you. See, you have to be focused and see what clues your body gives you. Because I've been there. One moment, your body may reveal, the greatest secret, and you will be completely clear in your mind and your whole being as to why you are there, why, and where you actually need to be. You know what I mean? So, yeah, don't ignore the clues your body gives you. Okay? Dear unique, focus on yourself and you cannot take someone else's place. No one can take your place. Focus on yourself. And thank you for being here, supporting me and watching my videos, listening to my videos, subscribing to my channel, and share yeah, do and share my videos. Thank you. I love you. Bye.